Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another DIY. Today's video is about how to replace your secondary air pump, broken rubber mounts on your BMW E46. There's three 10mm bolts holding the secondary air pump. That's the first one, second one, and the third one. First, loosen the hose clamp and remove the hose. Remove the secondary air pump. Be careful not to drop the bolts. Remove the wire connector by pressing the two tabs on the side, and I'm using a flathead screwdriver to help me remove it. Be very careful not to crack it. It's made of plastic and it's brittle. Wiggle it side to side and it will come off. Next is to remove the three broken rubber mounts from the secondary air pump, and also from the bracket. I always buy my parts from FCP Euro because it's a lifetime replacement guarantee. Go ahead and check them out. I will put a link in the description below. You will need three of these rubber mounts. Make sure to align the secondary air pump and the bracket the right way, so when you install the pump, the opening for the hose is in the right position. Reinstall the wire connector. You should hear a click when it's properly installed. Try to pull it out. Make sure it's secured. I use a magnetic holder so I won't drop the bolts. I use a silicone spray to make it easier for installing the hose. That's it, guys. If you like this DIY, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's more DIYs to come. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Later.